Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about moments, skewness and kurtosis. So let's start with moments. The earth moment about the mean of distribution is denoted by mu r and is given by mu r is equal to 1 by n summation f in bracket x minus x bar bracket raised to r. Here x bar is arithmetic mean, and if you put r is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on in above equation, then we will get mu 0 is equal to 1 upon n summation f is equal to 1, and if you put r is equal to 1 in above equation, then we will get 1 upon n summation f x minus x bar, that is equal to 0. Hence here we get mu 0 is equal to 1 and mu 1 is equal to 0. It is compulsory for all the cases. Then if you put r is equal to 2 in above equation, then we will get mu 2 is equal to 1 upon n summation f in bracket x minus x bar bracket square, that is equal to sigma square. Here sigma is the standard deviation. So mu 2 is equal to sigma square and sigma square is equal to variance. Means standard deviation square is equal to variance. Hence mu 2 is equal to standard deviation square, that is equal to variance. Since actual evaluation of earth moment mu r about mean x bar is numerically complicated, so for finding mu r is numerically complicated, hence we find earth moment mu r dash of the distribution about convenient mean a which much less calculations. The earth moment about any number a assumed or convenient arbitrary mean is denoted by mu r dash and is given by mu r dash is equal to 1 upon n summation f x minus a bracket raised to r. If you put r is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on in above equation, then we will get, if you put r is equal to 0 in above equation, then we get mu 0 dash is equal to 1. If we put r is equal to 1 in above equation, then we will get mu 1 dash is equal to 1 upon n summation f in bracket x minus a. If we put r is equal to 2 in above equation, then we will get mu 2 dash is equal to 1 upon n summation f in bracket x minus a bracket square. So here we get, for finding mu r we should have mu r dash. So we must know about relationship between mu r and mu r dash. Let's see the relation between mu r and mu r dash. We know by definition of mu r is equal to 1 upon n summation f in bracket x minus x bar bracket raised to r. In this equation, if we add a and subtract a, let d is equal to x minus a and d bar is equal to x bar minus a. So here we get mu r is equal to 1 upon n summation f in bracket d minus d bar bracket raised to r. On expanding d minus d bar bracket raised to r binomially, we get the relationship between mu r and mu r dash, and that is mu r is equal to mu r dash minus rc1 mu r minus 1 dash into mu 1 dash plus rc2 mu r minus 2 dash into mu 1 dash square plus it is up to minus 1 raised to r into mu 1 dash raised to r. We have already seen that mu 0 is equal to 1 and mu 1 is equal to 0. So if we put the values of r 2, 3, 4 and so on, we get, if we put r is equal to 2 in above equation, then we get mu 2 is equal to mu 2 dash minus 2c1 mu 1 dash into mu 1 dash plus 2c2 mu 0 dash into mu 1 dash square. If you simplify this, then we get mu 2 is equal to mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash square. If we put r is equal to 3 in above equation, then we get mu 3 is equal to mu 3 dash minus 3c1 mu 2 dash into mu 1 dash plus 3c2 mu 1 dash into mu 1 dash square minus 3c3 mu 0 dash into mu 1 dash cube. If you simplify this, then we get third central moment, that is mu 3 is equal to mu 3 dash minus 3 mu 2 dash into mu 1 dash plus 2 mu 1 dash cube. If we put r is equal to 4 in above equation, then we will get mu 4 is equal to mu 4 dash minus 4c1 mu 3 dash into mu 1 dash plus 4c2 mu 2 dash into mu 1 dash square minus 4c3 mu 1 dash into mu 1 dash cube plus 4c4 mu 0 dash into mu 1 dash raised to 4. If we simplify this, then we will get fourth central moment, that is mu 4 is equal to mu 4 dash minus 4 mu 3 dash into mu 1 dash plus 6 mu 2 dash into mu 1 dash square minus 3 mu 1 dash raised to 4. Here we can get the central moment mu 2, mu 3 and mu 4, and we already known that mu 0 is equal to 1 and mu 1 is equal to 0. Here we find the relation between mu r and mu r dash. For finding mu r, we should know the value of mu r dash, and for finding mu r dash, here we can see mu r dash is equal to 1 upon n summation f x minus a bracket raised to r. On simplification of this, we will get the relation that is mu r dash is equal to h raised to r 1 upon n summation f u raised to r. Here h is the class width and r is the moment which we want, and u is equal to x minus a upon h. After finding mu r, that is moment about arithmetic mean or central moment, from this we can find further skewness and kurtosis. So let us discuss about skewness. In skewness, here we can see two graphical representations in which on x-axis there is distribution and on y-axis there is frequency. In first graphical representation, we can see mean is at right side of the mode, that is called as positive skewness, and in second graphical representation we can see mean is at left side of the mode, that is called as negative skewness. There are different measures of skewness. First is skewness is equal to 3 in bracket mean minus median upon standard deviation, and second one is coefficient of skewness. It is more preferred to find out the skewness, that is beta 1 is equal to mu 3 square upon mu 2 cube. In this formula, for finding coefficient of skewness beta 1, we want third central moment and second central moment. From this formula we can get the skewness, that is coefficient of skewness. Then for kurtosis, we have the coefficient of kurtosis, that is beta 2 is equal to mu 4 upon mu 2 square. For finding beta 2, we want fourth central moment and second central moment. Here we can see in kurtosis there are three graphical representations. On x-axis is distribution and on y-axis is frequency. So here we can see in first graphical representation, it does not show any thickness or flatness if it happens when value of beta 2 is equal to 3, and this case is called as mesokurtic. We can see in second graphical representation, this graph shows thickness if it happens when value of beta 2 is greater than 3, and this is called as leptokurtic. Here in third graphical representation we can see the flatness in nature it happens when beta 2 is less than 3, and that is called as platykurtic. This is all about moment skewness and kurtosis. Example on moment skewness kurtosis we will discuss in next video. Like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't miss to press bell icon.